Hello and welcome to JavaScript Programming Language course for beginners. This is an introduction to JavaScript course. Here you'll see the source and reference for this video. I hope you'll be able to follow along this JavaScript course. The prerequisites for this course are the following: Sublime Text Editor and a web browser. As you watch this video, please bear in mind about our ESLRs. And these are right thought, right communication, right attitude, right conduct, and right lifestyle. Now let's proceed to our lesson. Section 10, JavaScript and Location. Lesson 10.1, Geolocation. Let's create a new web page for this from our template. Move the two script tags to the body section and add the following two HTML tags just above the script tags. If geolocation is not supported in the browser, we'll display an error message. If all goes well, we can display a Google map showing the user's location. For the first line of the JavaScript, add the code below. This just gets a reference to the error code ID. We'll use this to display an error if anything goes wrong. Geolocation is part of the Navigator objector. To test browser support, add the following if-else statement. In between the round brackets of if, we're just testing for a value of true for Navigator geolocation. Let's save our work and load the page into a browser. If the browser supports the geolocation object, then we'll see the first message displayed, and we can continue with this lesson. If we see the second message displayed, then we'll need to either update our current browser or download a new one. The geolocation object has three methods that we can use. And this is case sensitive. We have the getCurrentPosition, WatchPosition, and clearWatch. We'll use the first one, getCurrentPosition. The second one, WatchPosition, is like a timer. It is used if we want to update a user's position. We'll use clearWatch to clear the watch position timer. The getCurrentPosition is used like this. Only the first argument between the round brackets is required. The error argument is 4 when something goes wrong. If a user positions can't be found, then you can display an error message. We'll do this shortly. The third argument option is if we want to set the accuracy, a timeout value, or if a catch location should be used. We won't use any of the options. The location argument is usually a function. GetCurrentPosition then provides some position values for us to manipulate. For a complete list of codes and classwork in this lesson, please check Google Classroom. Thank you.